Alright, there we go. Gonna log in on this one. Siren test again, September 6th. Everyone wants to die. Except me. Sit porn. So the Siren is up there. It's a SiRcom something 750. It's backup camera. It's the same shitty camcorder, but it has mechanical zoom. You can't really see, but fuck it. We have this guy. He's gonna help me record. He doesn't want his face shown on video. Here we are. Everything is recording. Everything is good. Okay. It's time to... Okay. I don't have any way of setting this up. So I'm gonna bury it in the dirt. I wanna catch it. You know what? It does the trick. Focus. I hope the microphone isn't buried. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. Damn! Whew, the sound pressure on that boy. Holy shit.